Hello everyone, it's Julia here from Inflorescence Designs. Today I'm going to share with you a couple of application methods for applying scalp badges. A lot of scalp badges come with the already fusible adhesive on the back, but I wanted to share with you how you can use HeatnBond Ultra Hold or SpraynBond Fusible Adhesive Spray to keep your badges in place. I will be using a piece of canvas that is similar to the texture of a scout vest. I will be demonstrating first with the fusible adhesive that is already on most badges. Most badge adhesive suggests that you preheat the area you plan to apply the badge, and then apply the heat to the badge directly, and then again on the back side to make sure that the fusible glue has been bonded. Next, I will be using HeatnBond Ultra Hold. They come in both white and black for dark fabrics. I will be using dark fabric HeatnBond Ultra because it was a scrap piece that I had lying around. Trace your badge onto the paper and then cut it out just slightly smaller than the badge itself. You want the adhesive to go as far to the edges as possible. Apply the HeatnBond Ultra following the instructions provided. Once cooled, peel off the backing. I'm going to do the same steps as previous and preheat my fabric before putting on the badge. The final product I am using is SpraynBond Fusible Adhesive. For this, you'll want to shake the can and apply it to the back of the badge and let it dry. You will definitely want to cover your workspace since the goal is to cover the entire back of the badge. Once dry, you will then apply it to your fabric. And again, I'm going to preheat just to keep things cohesive. Alright, time for the results. For the first one, you'll notice that the edges did not bond to the fabric. These edges can get caught in anything and pull those badges right off. The second one, the HeatnBond Ultra that you peeled on and off, has a great bond. Look at that. The fabric moving around, no edges, fully secure. And the same goes for the spray. So both options of the HeatnBond Ultra and the SpraynBond Fusible Adhesive can help make your badges stay longer on those scout vests.